I think we just had the most incredible experience watching Dave and Cross get their hair cut here in Mexico.
It was the best haircut I've ever had in my whole life. I mean, it was like a 45-minute job too. They did a straight razor on around the edges. He got the powder massage.
They did massage. They had a machine afterwards where they massaged their back and shoulders. Cross's hair, the dude brought out a straight razor. The dude was flipping the scissors and doing all this crazy stuff. He'd like flip the scissors and then cut the opposite direction his hands were. I don't even know how to describe it.
You know what? It was $10 well spent.
Well, we're here in Mexico and we're packing up to leave to go to Croatia. But we're also going to stop into Montenegro and Bosnia. Yeah, it should be a fun trip. We've never been before, so this is our first time.
Is that we can pack real light. So, got some stuff here. Got some electronics in here. Got the drone, my Fujifilm camera, little mic. You'll be seeing the products of that. Gonna put some stuff in here. Got a little case here for cables and chargers. Put some medicine in there. Got my stuff for the plane there. Check this out. Let me show you what else we've got here. So I'm packing light. We don't have, kids, you excited to go?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. All right. So, working on a puzzle here. This one's gonna be a great one. Cross and I, we do our puzzles. This is a 1,500 piece. Okay, let me show you real quick. So, this is what I'm taking for the trip. Got my little Masai blanket in here, some shorts, some sandals, some Olakai sandals. Those are the best flip-flops I've ever had in my life. This is my second pair, and last one was like 3 or 4 years I had them. So just taking 3 shirts. I'm wearing one. I have 2 shirts here, a couple pair of shorts, a couple pair of swim trunks, and I'm wearing a pair of shorts. And let's see what else. That's about all I'm taking for the whole trip. Should be good. And she's kind of getting depressed. Oh, Wonder Woman. We took the dogs down on a road trip here, and she's kind of sad now. Got the passports and my cash envelope here, and we're about ready to go. So we're gonna be doing some cool product demos. I'm gonna be doing some, Cross is gonna be flying the drone for some cool new effects.
So I'm pretty proud of myself. This is what I'm taking. No check-ins, carry-on only for 19 days. But I'm also proud of my daughter. This is her 19 days. My son, where's your backpack, son? It's what, by the front door? So here's Cross's Hog's Back backpack that he takes everywhere. So this is his 19 days. Really proud of him too. He likes to add things wherever he goes and adds on, collects like something like a keychain from every place that we go. Now this is our AirTag, one of our AirTag holders, but you can use it for a lot. Isn't that cool?
So we're getting the test right now, the COVID test, to fly.
We are in Frankfurt, Germany. Kind of. We're inside the boundaries of Germany.
We're gonna play a little chess game, aren't we?
Yep, we are. In Germany. Inside the boundaries, because we're not necessarily in Germany, because we're in the airport. But we're inside the boundaries of Germany.
Like technically we're in Germany, but doesn't count as like we visited here.
All right, this is our last leg to get over to Zagreb, Croatia.
Yeah, here we go. Let's get in line.